Have you ever wanted to produce movie-quality scenes without renting a studio, buying expensive cameras, or hiring a full production team? What if you could design cinematic visuals, dramatic action shots, and emotional storytelling scenes directly from your computer? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create professional cinematic images and videos using Higgsfield.ai and its powerful feature, Cinema Studio 2.0. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, marketer, or someone who simply loves high-quality visuals, this tool can completely change your workflow. The access link is available in the video description. Once you sign up and log in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly dashboard with multiple AI models available. Today, we'll focus specifically on Cinema Studio 2.0, which is built for realistic film-style production. Let's begin with the image creation process. After opening Cinema Studio 2.0, you'll find a creative input area where you can describe the type of scene you want to produce. You have the option to generate either images or videos. We'll start with images. First, choose how many variations you would like to generate. You can select multiple outputs to compare different cinematic styles. Next, select your aspect ratio. For YouTube or standard widescreen content, 16:9 works perfectly. If you're aiming for a wider theatrical look, you can choose a cinematic ratio like 21:9. Then select the resolution. For maximum clarity and professional results, I recommend choosing 4K quality. You can also enable grid view to preview multiple outputs at once. One of the standout features is the custom element option. This allows you to upload your own image or video asset and define it as a reusable element. This is extremely helpful if you want to maintain character consistency, brand identity, or visual continuity across multiple scenes. Now let's talk about the advanced camera controls, one of the most impressive parts of this tool. Cinema Studio 2.0 allows you to simulate real filmmaking equipment. You can choose from various professional digital camera systems, including high-resolution modular cameras and large-format cinematic setups. In addition, you can select different lens types to influence the mood and depth of your scene. Adjusting focal length changes the framing style, while aperture settings control background blur and sharpness. These options give you a level of creative control that feels very close to real-world cinematography. Once your settings are configured, simply click Generate. Within seconds, the system produces high-quality cinematic visuals with realistic lighting, depth, and composition. You can preview the results, upscale them, enhance detail, adjust angles, or download them instantly. Beyond static images, there are additional enhancement tools available. The reference feature allows you to guide the style using an external image. The animation option enables you to transform still visuals into short motion sequences by defining transitions between frames. There is also a continuation feature that expands your scene creatively, offering variations or extended compositions. If you choose the multi-shot option, the platform converts a single visual into multiple cinematic angles, simulating different camera perspectives from the same scene. Now, let's move to the video production section. Switch to the video mode, and you unlock full cinematic animation capabilities. You can optionally upload a reference image or define a consistent character. Then, select camera movement styles such as automatic motion, zoom effects, static framing, or handheld dynamics. You can adjust motion speed, define video duration, and choose between single-shot storytelling or multi-shot sequences for more dynamic results. After selecting the aspect ratio and resolution, you can also choose the cinematic style category. Whether you want a general scene, action-focused energy, horror atmosphere, comedy tone, or another genre, once everything is configured, after processing, you receive a professionally animated cinematic clip with smooth motion. realistic lighting, and scene-appropriate atmosphere. The result feels structured, intentional, and production-ready. Cinema Studio 2.0 within Higgsfield.ai provides a streamlined solution for creating studio-level visuals without traditional production limitations. It combines creative flexibility with technical control, making it suitable for YouTube creators, advertisers, short filmmakers, and digital storytellers. If you'd like to explore it yourself, the link is available in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more professional AI tool insights. I'll see you in the next video.